In this video, we'll show you how to use your circulation promoter with the base plate. To begin, remove the pain therapy control unit from the base, turn it over, and install two AAA alkaline batteries. Please note these are not included with the system. Underneath the pain therapy control system, you will find a lead wire. One end should already be attached to the base plate. Plug the other end of the yellow lead wire into the top of the pain therapy control unit. Slowly turn the intensity dial clockwise until it clicks on. Then very slowly continue to turn the dial to increase intensity to the desired comfort level. Press the mode button to change this type of simulation. Press the time button to select 10, 20, or 40 minutes of treatment time. The water spray bottle can be filled with tap water. No special water is needed. Place the base plate onto the floor. For best results, place on a hard surface and do not use on carpet. Spray the base plate with water and spray the bottom of bare feet prior to placing on the pads. Place both feet onto the base plate.